Hello again. I have got some leftover color paint from my last pouring, so I decided to use on this mini canvas, just flip and drag. So let's have a go. Already got the cup ready. I have got two blues and two purples. One is lighter and one is a bit darker. So I'm going to just flip the cup over to it. So let's start. I haven't got any silicone on it. That's just because I wanted to do the different style of my painting, the other one. This is getting down. The canvas is 20 by 20 centimeter. So it's just a mini canvas. So I like this process when the paint come out from the cup. This one hasn't got any silicone at all, and still can see some cells coming along. So let's finish up. What I will do now, I use my torch to get rid of cells, to create the cells, just to get rid of the bubbles. That's how amazing I haven't got silicone and still the bubbles are popping and creating lovely cells. So let's tilt it. I had one layer of black and white as well, because I was literally running out the paint, so I thought, let me just mix them. I think that is done. So I'm going to give a touch of torch again, just in case if any more left over, the bubbles can get rid of and create nice cells. The only reason why I didn't use silicone, because I wanted a different texture in the last one, in my last pouring, so I didn't use it. But still, you still get the cells for not using the silicone, which is really good, because at the end you have to clean your canvas before you varnish as well, so you don't want any oil stuck there. So here we go. This is how it looks now. Have a close look. So that's it for today now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.